Hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope that you guys are fine and that you guys are keeping safe. If this is the first time you're meeting this bold, beautiful, unapologetic baby girl, my name is Shonara and you are welcome to our YouTube channel. You are going to fall in love with us. All you have to do is to like, share and subscribe. And today I am back again with another beautiful hair review from Luvme Hair. And let me tell you something, guys. This hair has taken a while. I was so excited, but I kept on moving from one place to the other. So I really wanted to share with you guys the hair. But now a lot was happening. Anyway, that's not even the point. Let's just go straight to it. I already unboxed it because I really wanted to know what's in here. So that's why it's looking the way it's looking. So we have this beautiful note that says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. This is from Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. That is very nice and very thoughtful of her. And then we have this right here, Love Me, with this beautiful black queen. It has how to care for your wig, how to use your wig, question, regularly asked questions, refunds, just the general things that you need and are going to be really helpful. And then it came with this cute bag, this bag over here. Let me just open this. I already opened this. I really wanted to act surprised, but now, man, the first thing that was in this bag is this cute pair of lashes. It's really cute, and just watch out, people will see me in lashes very soon. And okay, so we have this cute loops over here. Oh man, this is nice, and I'm actually a fan. I don't know if I should just go ahead and wear them right now. Okay, let's keep on. Let's focus. Let's just focus. And then we have this to hold our hair. And you know, this is nice so that it doesn't, because it doesn't support breakage and all that, and it protects your hair. If you're a black girl, you ought to know this. And then lastly, we have this stuff right here. I don't want to lie, so I'm not going to say what it is. So my sister said that this is supposed to be right here. I don't know. God, I don't know why she thought that that is supposed to go there, but I don't know. And then, oh my God, oh my God. I'm super excited. Before I forget, it also came with this cute press-ons. And the other day I hurt my finger, so it's going to be a plus for me. I'm just going to quickly fix my nails and all that, and you know, I'm going to look like a city girl. And then also it came with this nice comb over here. And fun fact, I'm not even playing, I misplaced my comb, and yeah, so that's a lifesaver right there. And I haven't seen hair company do this, or it's safe to say the ones that I've worked with, I haven't seen this, which is a really nice thing to do. So to the hair, this is the hair right here. It came with this cute purple bag, so let's open it. I'm just being a little dramatic. It's not even hard. So this is it, guys. I'm gonna say one word: volume, density. That's what I'm gonna say. One word: volume and density. Those are actually two words, but you know. And let me tell you one cute secret that is not a secret anymore. This is their latest product. This is their newest product, and it is just $99.9. That's $100 only. Mine was 10 inches, rather it's still 10 inches. Yeah, so I'm gonna try it. And the most amazing part about this is that it's just a throw on and go. You just throw it, you know, guys, literally just like throw and go. You throw and you go. So let's try throwing and going. Guys, I have not pulled it back. I have not styled it. I am hopeful for the future. Let me see. Guys, I am not experiencing a lot of blockages, which is actually a nice thing. I am not experiencing that at all. And then the volume, man, this is 10 inches, like I said. And I actually haven't tried bangs in a while. So, you know, you know. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just going to quickly rush and put some water and just style it for you guys. I'm really feeling myself.
Just can't believe the love I'm in. No, I'm never gonna stop.
Turn me up some more.
Never gonna stop.
I put a new 4G's on the G. I got into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now niggas can't answer call cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip. Straight up out the yacht, I'm a big trip. If I got up on a lean, I'm a sip. I run the racks up with.
Another thing that I love about this hair, guys, is how easy it is to remove it. Let me show you guys. You actually don't need any glue. You don't need to struggle. It's actually, guys, just a throw on and go. You just throw it on and you can remove it anytime, anywhere you feel like. And also there's no glue needed. So guys, tell me what you people think. One more thing before I forget, let me tell you again. I'm telling you guys a lot of things. This hair feels really light on the head, which is adorable. So yeah, tell me guys what you people think. I think I have like a lot of water, but I'm going to just work that out. I think this is just it for me. This will be really cool if I have a brunch with the girls and all. So guys, that was it for this hair, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, I love you. Bye bye.
The struggle, I didn't forget that. I had decided to maybe get out, sit back.